With our inspections, we're gonna go look at all the fluids really close. We have a little tray. I pull samples out and compare them to new fluids. We check tread depths on the tires, tire pressures. We measure your brake pads to see how thick they are, how much life you have left on them. We look at your belts. I mean, I get in there with the flashlight, even if it's hard to get in there and look at them. We take pictures of the belt ribs to make sure there's no cracks, things like that. We check the radiator hoses. Are they stiff? Are they soft? Are they original? You know, there's a little bit of seepage at the edges of them. There's a lot of things that can go wrong with radiator hoses, especially with the season that we have here. It gets really hot really fast, so we pay really close attention to cooling systems, make sure the fans are working, things like that. Fluids, super critical in an environment that we live in. We live in a severe environment, so fluids have to be flushed, fluids have to be changed. Tires especially also, dry rods, things like that. You gotta make sure you have good tread life. Make sure that they're super important on any vehicle. Highways, you don't want to be that person on the side of the road with a blowout. Tread depth, condition, how old are the tires, things like that. Those are certain little things that we look at. Once again, suspension keeps your tires wearing the best. If you have weak shocks, weak struts, little bit of seepage, oil coming from the seals, anything like that is gonna ruin the shocks, the tires. And we don't want premature wear on tires. Tires are not cheap, so we gotta make sure we have good life on the tires. So specifically, suspension components, control arms. This specific vehicle has control arm bushes that are gonna start tearing and whatnot. Severe environment, hot to cold, takes a big toll on rubber. So we pay really close attention to those items to make sure the cars are safe.